Welcome back to Dare to Glow. I'm Bella and I'm here to demystify the makeup experience. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this bold eyeliner look using just one palette. If you want to learn more, then keep watching. For today's bold eyeliner look, we're going to use the Sigma Beauty Enchanted palette. It looks like this. And by the way, if you've watched my other videos, you must be wondering, how do I have so many Sigma palettes? There was a holiday special to get like 4 for 1, so that's why I have so many, but it was a great deal, and Sigma always has literally weekly specials, so definitely sign up for the email or text list. Anyways, from this palette, I'm just going to use 3 colors. This soft gold called Sunburst, this brighter gold called Electrum, and black for the bold eyeliner, also known as Wicked. As always, we'll prime the eye. I'll use my favorite Sigma eyeshadow base in Persuade. Apply that to the lid with my finger. For the crease, I'm going to apply this darker brownish color called Loam. For the lid, I'm going to apply the lighter gold named Sunburst. For the crease, I use the Diffuse Crease brush from Sigma. And now for the lid, I'm going to use the large shader brush, also from Sigma. And I'm going to apply the color Sunburst, which is a soft gold. That's just on the lid part. For the brighter gold named Electrum, which has a hint of green in it, I'm actually going to use my finger. As I say in all my videos, the finger is the easiest option when applying more glittery, more shimmery colors. To apply the bold eyeliner, I'm going to use the Sigma small angle brush. In my previous videos, I've mentioned that I use this brush to tightline right above the eyelash line or even the bottom lash. But in today's instance, we're going to actually line it a little bit thicker than usual, but not overkill. That's why I like this brush, because it's pretty versatile. So we'll dip it in the black Wicked color right here. We'll make the top lash line a little bit more thick. The advantage of using powder is that it's less intense up front and it's also more easily erasable. So if you ever are scared or hesitant to use a black liner, start off with a powder, maybe in an eyeshadow palette like this one. We'll do the other eye next. This next step is completely optional. I'm going to add what's called Fake Awake. It's a nude waterline liner that you can use to make your eyes look bigger and more awake. This one is by Tarte. And you want to put this on before you do any bottom liner because it will get all mixed up. For sure. See how bright they look now? The next step is totally optional as well. I'm going to add a soft bottom line with the same brush and same color, Wicked. So the goal of this look was to make the eyeliner the star of the show, and that's what I did by using more neutral shadows on top and a bold liner. You can try any bold eyeliner look. Some alternatives could be a dark green or a dark blue to get the same effect with a neutral shadow combination. I'm going to add some mascara and lips and be right back. So this is the final look. I wanted today's look to have the eyeliner as the star of the show, so I kept the lips a little bit more neutral and just added mascara, and that was it. This palette is great because it had all the colors I needed in one. That black color can be used as a liner to our benefit and with a and can be easily applied either tight lined or a little bit more thick with a angled brush like I used today. If you like this look and want to see more looks like this, drop a comment below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!